Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Let's change this reverse light on this Dodge Dart. So this Dart is a 2015, but it's the same thing for all the Darts that are out there. So we want to go ahead and crank the car up. So you come in your car, you crank it up, you put it in reverse, and there's gonna be a message that come up on the dash. Let me brighten up the display so you can stop flashing a little bit. So there you go. That's the message right there. It said reverse light out. It's flashing on the camera, but in person it's not flashing, so I don't know if you guys see it. So you guys want to put the car in reverse and pull the emergency brake up all the way. If you guys have somebody to press the brake and put it in reverse, that would even be better than doing this procedure. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure the car is not gonna move. So I let go of my car, let go of the brakes, and the car won't move. And I'm just gonna switch it off and leave it with the ignition on. With the ignition on, the reverse light should be on also. So you can see the reverse light is on, but the right side is not working, and this is a Dodge Dart. So if your car look like this, it will be the same procedure and doing this. So let's go ahead and see if we can open the trunk. Oh, that's not working. So most times if the car is in gear, you won't be able to open the trunk, so you want to get the car in park and then you can open the trunk. You can turn off the ignition, save your battery, don't kill it. And let's get to the job. So your reverse bulb is located on the trunk itself. So we're gonna go ahead, lift the trunk up, and right here you pull this cap right here. Once you pull that cap off, you'll have access to this right here, and this is how you're gonna change your bulb. So you just go ahead and twist it. So you want to twist it like this, and this should be counterclockwise, and then you pull down on it, then you remove the bulb. So if I can do it with my one hand, you guys can do it. No tool required to do this job. And this bulb look like it's a 443 or W47, but a 443 should work fine. So let's get that bulb. So guys, I know I said 443, but I should say 7443, and that's still not the right bulb. The correct bulb is 7440. So I will leave a link in the description for the bulb number, so you can also get the bulb. You can't see it right here because the bulb is clear and the writing is fine. So go ahead, put it in like that, and you can go ahead and put it back in the hole. So you just gotta search for it so it can fall in. Once it fall in, that's it. You can go ahead and put back this cap piece right here. All right, that's done. So we're going to do the same procedure of checking the reverse light, make sure it's working. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the ignition and put the car in reverse. And let's go check the bulb to make sure the bulb works. So that one worked, and now this one worked, and we shouldn't get any message about any blown bulb. So that's it guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.